Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are doing a what's in my fridge tour because let me tell you, I am like so nosy and I love looking through people's kitchens and seeing what they're eating and how they're organizing. So if you are equally as weird as me, then you're gonna love this video. Let's go. Okay, now before I open up my fridge, can I just say how much I love these fridge door handles? I never thought I would love these things, but I absolutely love them. Okay, so this is my fridge. We're gonna start with this little pull-out drawer right here. And in this drawer, I just keep like my kids' snacks that they can just grab and go. I keep my produce, and then I keep things that go in their lunch box. These little produce bags right here, love them. Oh my gosh, they are great for going to the farmer's market if you don't want to get those little plastic bags, and they also keep the little produce organized in the fridge. Now right here, I used to buy those little, you know, those little snack packets you can buy with apples and peanut butter, and then I said, why am I wasting my money? I can just make my own little snacks for my kids' lunches. So that's what that is right there, and I can put in whatever I want to put in there. So yeah, I really like that. All right, and this is my butter drawer because my butter needs its own drawer because I use a lot of butter. Okay, love it. This drawer is where I keep all of my skincare recipes because a lot of skincare stuff needs to be refrigerated. So I make my own beauty products and I keep them there. My little onions right here and my little produce here, and this right here. Oh my gosh, you guys, Friday, it's going down. I'm making some fried okra. I haven't had it in so long, but yeah, it's going down. All right, so here is the middle shelf, and I say shelf, the middle shelf, and I have a big old basket of eggs because we go through a ton of eggs in my family, which is why we ended up getting chickens many years ago. And you literally wake up with fresh eggs, honey. You just can't beat it. And you can keep like fresh eggs on the counter for like weeks, but then once you wash them off, you have to put them in the fridge, and these are all washed and ready to go. All right, and this little bin right here is my favorite little bin. I have this bin in so many rooms in my house because it's just so convenient. It has 3 little compartments in it. You can remove them. Great for like traveling. You can put like sandwiches and stuff in it. Put it in a back seat with the kids and you're good to go. Okay, so my fridge inventory changes very often, but one thing that remains are these sandwiches. I always make these little sandwiches every Sunday, and they just kind of take you through the week. Great for when you need like something to take the edge off your hunger. You just grab it and go, child. I love it. And whenever I'm not like a hot, disorganized mess, I actually meal prep, and that works out really good. So I put them in those little containers. Here is where I keep my fresh herbs. I only use like a few fresh herbs, rosemary, basil, parsley, so I keep them in these little containers. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I love those little herb jars. They're just so cute, and it keeps it fresh for a long time. Yeah. Okay. All right, so in this little drawer right here, I just keep things like hot dogs, lunch meat, anything that we need really quick because we are a grab and go family, honey. Okay, we are definitely grab and go when it comes to like breakfast and lunch. So that's what my fridge kind of reflects. All right, so on this very top shelf, we have a plethora of things, but my favorite thing in my entire fridge is this right here. Yeah, this basket right here is my favorite thing because this is mama's don't touch it basket. Nobody touch what's in this basket because it's mine. Because I will buy something, I'll put it in the fridge, and then when I go to try it out, it's gone, and that makes me really aggressive. So everybody knows to leave my stuff alone. I got my little bougie yogurt for bougie people that I've been meaning to try out because you guys told me it was good, so I'm ready to try it. My cookie dough, my Kit Kat bar, my basket. Don't touch it, all right? Yeah, every woman needs this in her fridge. Okay, these 2 baskets up top is where I keep my cheese. We go through a lot of cheese in my family, honey. It's like everything got freaking cheese on it. It's just, yeah, we eat a lot of cheese. And this meat basket is where I put meat that needs to be used up during the week or needs to be defrosted. I'll just throw it in that little basket right there. And then I have these little salad in jars for me and my husband. I do a lot of like in-between meals, little, you know, salads, sandwiches, things like that because we are snackers, big time snackers, and we get hungry, honey. And this is where I keep my coffee creamer, and this really is the only coffee creamer you would need in your life. This almond milk hazelnut, yeah, that's all you need, sugar. And then I have my condiment drawer. Now I have another fridge down in my garage, so I keep all of my excess stuff in my garage, and this fridge stays really, you know, nice and neat and organized and airy. I don't like a really cluttered condiment drawer. This stuff right here, you guys, please get on this stuff because Lord have mercy, honey. This is the bomb. Google it, okay? And then my sauerkraut, I take this every single day. That chlorophyll, the sauerkraut is just, the bomb. And that, you guys, is it. You have survived my fridge tour. Wasn't that quick and easy? Yeah, simple fridge. Now, when it comes to organizing your fridge, make sure it works for you, okay? It has to work for you and your family and the season of life that you're in. And before you go out and spend a lot of money on buying little cute little fridge organizers, look around your house first, because you probably already got stuff to do with, make it look cute. Don't spend your money, child, save your money. But I will put a link to, the things that I purchased in my fridge in case you want to get them too. All right, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out these other videos and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. And of course, subscribe. Later.